I said, you poor composer, you had to go 5,000 years ago to look at Mother Yashoda and Krishna. You know how fortunate I am. You know how fortunate, brothers, we all are. We are contemporaries of this situation. What a beautiful way the bhajan captures that. Ishwarama Priyatanaya Sai Narayana Sai Narayana Satya Narayana Kali Yug mein avatar liye kan kan mein tera naam kan kan mein tera naam Ishwarama Priyatanaya Sai Narayana. The bhajan captures, oh Lord, the entire world is going to address you as Sai Narayana. That Ishwarama called you Satya Narayana. What a beauty there. What a beauty. The bhajan says, Sai Narayana Satya Narayana. The entire world is going to compose bhajan after bhajan, bhajan after bhajan after you, praising you, Amma, Jagat Janani, Sai Janani, and so on. You called Ishwarama as your Amma. How fortunate she is. Just meditating upon the relationship, the bhajan says, it is not just Ishwaramba Tanaya, Ishwarama Priya Tanaya, the one, the dearest son of Ishwaramba. Just remembering that, brothers and sisters. How much glory is revealed. I started wondering. The bhajan says Ishwarama Priyatanaya. Does that mean that there were mother-son moments between Ishwarama and Swami? Of course there were many. There are many wonderful documented relationship moments, mother and son. There is one very beautiful incident comes to our mind. Swami physically left India when he went to Africa many years ago. Unfortunately, Ishwarama, being a pious, humble lady, from this small village, she did not know where this Africa place is. So she was really worried for her dear son. He is going to some faraway place. Will he be okay? Swami understood what Ishwarama had in mind, so he started playing with her. He said, Amma, I have to tell you something about this Africa. Once upon a time, people used to kill each other and eat each other there. As if that was really helpful to Ishwarama. Now Ishwarama got really scared. Then Swami said, Amma, there is another thing I have to tell you. When you go to that place, the clock goes backwards. This is how he described the time zone difference. Now Ishwarama is trying to picture this place where people are eating each other and the clock is going backwards. He is really worried. Now so worried that she called Kasturi Garu. She called Kasturi. Since you are going with Satya, Swami, I am really worried. Will you please take good care of my Satya? Ishwarama Priyatanaya. Kasturi Garu understood the beauty in this. He said, Amma, don't worry. I know, I have read in the scriptures that Gayatri Mantram is very powerful. So what I am going to do, as I am traveling with Swami, as I am going to be with Swami, all the time I will constantly be chanting Gayatri Mantram so that the power of that will protect Swami. Now Ishwarama was relieved. Ishwarama was relieved that the power of Gayatri Mantram is going to protect Swami. What a beauty there. I was just imagining that moment a few years ago. Swami, how beautiful at that moment when Ishwaramba will be standing outside the home. And when you are a little baby, she is carrying you on the shoulders, where you are carrying all our pains and difficulties on your shoulders. She got the opportunity to carry you on her shoulders. I am wondering how beautiful that will be. Oh Lord, you are going to hold the hands of millions and millions of people, helping us walk across the ocean of life and death. And she held your hands and taught you how to walk. What a beauty there. And I am thinking, Swami, how beautiful it will be that day when Ishwarama is trying to show the moon and trying to put you to sleep. Little did she know at that moment that the moon itself was created by him. And I'm wondering, what a beautiful moment. Just imagine this, brothers and sisters. Ishwaramma trying to put our beloved Bhagavan to sleep. And I am thinking, Swami, that moment deserves a bhajan. What bhajan shall we sing? And the bhajan very beautifully came from within. Giridhara Govinda Gopala Ghanashyamanandalala Manamohana Madhusudana He Madhava Giridhara Govinda Gopala Ghanashyamanandalala Damodara Janardana Muralidhara Manamohana Namo Sai Narayanaya Namo Satya Narayanaya Namo Sai Narayanaya. What a beautiful moment. I used to wonder, how come Ishwaramma is so special? What is the message our beloved Lord is trying to convey through Ishwaramma? Meditating upon it, Ishwaramma was the first human being to be associated with the Lord. And hence, there is so much value. Those of us, by His grace, who get associated with Him, automatically a lot of value is being added to us. Swami demonstrated this value by association very beautifully once to students. Swami used to go to Kodaikanal with the students, and when Swami goes there, the students will be following Swami's car in a bus. Of course, you should see that moment. It is a classic Kodak moment. All the students will not be sitting in the chair. They will all be near the driver looking at Swami's car. Swami's car is leading the way, and they all want to have Swami's darshan even there. But occasionally, because the students will pray, Swami, please join us in the bus, Swami will just get off from the car and he will sit in the bus with the students for some time. But on the way, there are a lot of villagers, people in the towns that live along the way. They know that Swami is going to come, so they will all be waiting. As soon as they see Swami's car, they will offer their salutations. But sometimes, because of this, Swami has switched places to the bus. The villagers do not know, but as soon as they see Swami's car, they will offer their salutations to the car, even though the Swami is sitting in the bus. Swami pointed that out to the students. See? Even though Swami is not in the car, because the car is associated with Swami, the car itself is getting pranams. And because now I am associated with you fellows, I am not getting pranams anymore. What a beautiful way the Lord conveyed the value of association. The introduction started very grandly. The Lord introduced Himself to this temple. Oh Lord, I am Ishwaramma's Priya Tanaya. Then I wondered, Swami, I want to know more. I want to know more about you so that I can celebrate every aspect of your glory. And then it started. We introduce ourselves each other in the human level by through the name. We say, I am so-and-so, you are so-and-so. I asked Swami, tell me your name. He said, Mudamate. When it comes to the Lord, it is not enough to know the name. It is important to know about the name. We have to know how powerful the name of the Lord is. The Lord came back and said, Arey, my name has a history.